I remember when I got my first business cards. I was working for a magazine and it was so exciting. Times certainly have changed. There's no reason in most cases to carry around business cards any longer. If you're meeting people in person, it's so much easier to just connect with them using your LinkedIn profile QR code. It only takes a few minutes. Here's how. First, open your mobile app and go to your profile. Go to the search, and that's where you'll find the QR code icon. Click on that, and you'll see your QR code with photo. You can then take that QR code and email it to yourself so that you can use it on your resume or a presentation. The next time you go to a networking event, you can use your QR code instead of handing out business cards. Make sure to save your QR code to your photos. That way you can pull it up and use it at your next networking event. If you found this helpful, follow for more.